Happy holidays, friends, and welcome back to my channel. So this year's holiday home tour is going to be just a little bit different, like most things so far in 2020, just because my husband is working from home, so our dining room is currently his office space, and we're also refinishing our basement right now, so I don't have as much decor out as I have in years past. So this video is going to be a little more short and sweet, but I'm really excited to share with you what I've pulled together this year in our home and welcome you to our holiday home tour for 2020. So this is our mantle for this year. You guys know that this is always my favorite place to decorate in our home. And I just have these really cute woven stockings from Amazon adorned with these adorable little name tags, and I will include the maker down below in the description box. She is on Instagram and she's amazing. Also hung a Jingle Bell garland, which I made myself, over top. Then I have our gorgeous King of Christmas flocked garland, and I just added some lights, some berry picks, and a couple little ornaments which I just wired in there. Then on either side of the mantle, I just added these really pretty gold candle holders from Target and these LED candlesticks, which I love. They come with the remote. You can easily turn them on or off. You can set a timer. They also have different functions, the candle function, or they can just stay lit. And they even can increase in brightness or decrease. So I absolutely love these. I use them all year round. So convenient. I will link them from Amazon below. So moving on to our tree, this is the King of Christmas Queen flocked, and it is 9 foot, and our ceilings are actually also 9 feet, and it fits perfectly in this space. And this year I actually had my boys, who are 5 and 1, help me decorate, and I left the ornaments where they placed them. So you might notice that ornament placement is a little more random this year, but it's perfect to me, and I know that the boys had so much fun. So I wanted to show you guys these adorable little ornaments that I made this year. I kind of wanted to go with like a candy cane gingerbread theme, but I couldn't find any gingerbread themed ornaments, so I decided to just make my own, and I just picked up some ceramic snowflake ornaments from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and I painted them and then decorated them with puff paint myself, and I love how they turned out. I also added some berry picks, some glittery picks from the Dollar Tree, as well as some pine cone branch picks. I always love to add those for fullness, and then of course all of my pretty ornament balls and my beaded candy canes. Then over on our TV stand, I just have our beautiful lantern, and inside I have some LED candles from Amazon. These are my favorite ones I've ever purchased. Again, they come with a remote, and you can control whether they flicker like candles or they just stay solid bright. Then I just have my bottles, and I just added some candles to those and some greenery, cute little Noel sign, little brush trees from the Target dollar spot, my corbels from Decor Steals. And then, of course, some candles and my little calendar. Then, yes, this is where we keep the boys' toys, just in a bunch of wicker baskets. As you can see, my son is playing Xbox, and then up there, my beautiful wall decor from Christmas tree shops. Then on the other side of the room with the couch, we have that cute little shelf over top that I love to decorate, our beautiful arch from Christmas tree shops, and on the shelf I just added a few details. And then, yes, you guys, this is a new couch. Say hi to Colton. Finally, we picked up the Paxton from Lazy Boy, and I absolutely love it. And we just added some Christmas pillows from various places. I'll include links to everything down below that I can find. Then we just have our little gallery wall around to the shelf above our couch. Mirrors from Kirkland's. I just added some cute little Hobby Lobby wreaths to each one using a thumbtack. I love those. And then on the shelf, again, I just made another of the little gingerbread houses myself. This used to be a Target dollar spot ceramic house, and I just painted it and decorated it with puff paint and glitter. Then I have my Joanna Gaines corbels, some vintage books, and a little gold reindeer. The architectural salvage pieces in the back are from my friend on Instagram, and I can link her as well. And then another little bell garland, just using some twine and bells from Hobby Lobby. Now heading into our foyer, we hung this beautiful garland and wrapped it with lights going up our stairs. I still haven't decorated the wall leading up the stairs. Can you guys believe that? I'm terrible. Then I just have this cute little Target runner. In our board and batten entryway, I hung this really beautiful lifelike wreath from Walmart, as well as garland from Walmart, and the scroll is from Walmart as well. They had so many great items this year. Then I have my vintage blow mold Santa that I got on eBay. My youngest son is so scared of him. It's hilarious. Then I just have our family photo gallery wall. I love it. And I just hung these cute little mini cypress wreaths using command hooks. I just have my cute little flocked tree from Walmart. You guys have seen these, they're so popular, and I just put it in this cute little bucket from Hobby Lobby. On the other side, these are old, these are from Pier 1, these Christmas trees. Then I just have my cute little crate with details. I actually made this Merry and Bright printable on PicMonkey and put it in a frame. Little floral arrangements, dollar spot ceramic houses. Ooh, and I made this little gingerbread house using an Amazon box this time and just used a box cutout tutorial and then just decorated it and put it in a cloak jar. I love it. The garland that's on the foyer table is also from Walmart. And yep, everything else is pretty much the same. I just used a suction cup hook to hang the wreath on my mirror. Oh, there's hubby in the dining room. As you can see, it looks very different now that it's his office. Then in our breakfast nook, I kept it really simple because this is where we eat all of our meals. I just added some greenery placemats and chargers and a cute little sleigh with a tree inside. We did get a new chandelier in this space. I absolutely love this one. Then over here by the refrigerator, I have my Rettle roller, and I just added some cute little vintage details on the top shelf and a little cypress wreath that I hung with a command hook on the roll paper. Now heading into our kitchen, can you guys believe that we have not painted our cabinets yet? I think that painting them white might be on our to-do list for 2021. Over the window in our kitchen, I just added some beautiful lifelike garland and a wreath, and both the garland and the wreath are from Marshall's. Then I've become a plant mom, as most people have during 2020, stuck at home. So I'm growing a spider plant, and also these are my succulents. They're going wild. Then on the counter, I just have a cute little tree from the dollar spot. I love my gingerbread house nightlight from Hobby Lobby. Look how pretty it is. This is one of my favorite finds. Then my son's advent calendar. This is from Plow and Hearth. His aunt got it for him. It is the cutest little barn advent. Absolutely love it. He enjoys opening these every morning. Then I just have some decor, cute little hot cocoa sign from Hearth and Hand. All these little spatulas for Christmas from Target. Then, of course, on every cabinet, I hung my little cypress wreaths with some ribbon. And a lot of people ask how I hang them. I literally just attach them with shipping tape on the back of the cabinet so that I don't do any damage. Then I just hung a wreath on our pantry door. Then on our kitchen island, I just added this wooden tray from Hearth and Hand's Christmas line, my glass canisters, which I always create little snow globe scenes in them every year using Epsom salt. And again, I just made little houses to go inside, and I painted them to look like gingerbread houses. Maybe I'll do a DIY tutorial for those next year for you guys. If you would like to see that, just let me know in the comments. So I added those little dollar spot houses in each of my jars and just added some cute little details like a candy cane tree, the Santa, the cute little rolling pin. Then over at our hot cocoa bar, which you guys have probably already seen on Instagram, I decorated this along with Christmas tree shops. So almost all of the decor you see here is from Christmas tree shops. So I just hung a wreath, and then on the shelf I added some cute little Christmas details, a lantern, a light up Santa, this adorable sign. Then I just recently hung this gingerbread man garland, which is actually from Amazon, and it is amazing quality. I will link it. These cute little gingerbread men and girl are from Hobby Lobby at the top of the tiered tray. Then I just have all of our Christmas mugs and straws for hot cocoa. That little guy is from Walmart. Then I just have our rolling pin, our vintage Christmas scale, and this cute little sign from Christmas Tree Shop. So this space gets a lot of use during the holiday season. We drink a lot of hot cocoa in this house. Here on the refinished buffet in our breakfast nook, I just added some garland, candles, my wooden horse, and I just added a ribbon and some greenery to him. And then here on my tiered tray, I have a couple cute little Christmas details. I absolutely love decorating this space. And then, of course, what holiday house tour video would be complete without a cameo from our precious Shiba Inu Kisu? I know you guys love to see her. So friends, that is it for my 2020 holiday house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and that everyone is staying safe and healthy this year. I know we are all looking forward to 2021, and I'm definitely looking forward to making a ton more creative and fun videos for you guys in the new year. So Merry Christmas to all of you, and thank you so much for being here.